New routine. It's 4:30 in the morning. Time to wake up and start the day. As soon as I wake up, I jump on the scale. This morning I was 187 pounds. And I take my vitamins. My vitamins currently consist of vitamin D3. I'm taking a kelp tablet. And I'm also taking Keon Flex as a joint support supplement. From 4:30 until 6, I try and do biz dev stuff on the computer, so not client work, not emails, not any of that, just like all business development stuff, like collaborative stuff with people I'm trying to set up, trying to think things I'm trying to schedule, documents I'm trying to sign, brainstorming, writing on the whiteboard, things that are going to move the business forward. I certainly don't sell a house every day, but in today's biz dev mode, I just signed around the documents to sign my house up in Washington, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, buddy, way to start the day. All right, y'all, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Right now we're doing our morning AM Instagram Rise and Grind Live. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Yeah. So the Rise and Grind Live at 6 a.m. on Crystal's Instagram channel, which is?
crystallovefit.fka.
crystallovefit.fka. Join us at 6 a.m. Central for the live, so you can hang out with us and all these wonderful people that are jumping on now. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. So from 7 o'clock in the morning until 10 o'clock in the morning, we have blocked out for training. Today we're gonna go train back. Gonna do some deadlifts. Gonna go hard. Isn't that right, babe?
That's right.
You go hard?
Yep.
Let's kill it. Heavy is because Eric over here is pushing me. He's trying to make me reach new heights.
Yeah, push the limit. I won't be beat.
Yeah.
It's all you, man.
Got that.
Alright, y'all, super solid workout. Killed it with the deadlifts, killed it with everything. Just awesome. I love working out with people that train hard, ain't afraid to push themselves and push me. I just love it. Eric's been working here. I don't know how long he's been working here, but he's been working at 10 Fitness forever. He was working at 10 Fitness when I was in Arkansas before I ever moved to Washington. So it's super cool to meet up with him, train, do some deadlifts. He pushed me, I pushed him. It's good stuff. Now I'm about to jump in the shower, get cleaned up, and get to the grind. Here we go. All right, so from 10 o'clock until noon is what I'm kind of reserving for podcasting, editing, and YouTube video editing. So I'm doing the daily vlog right now, obviously. From 10 to noon is when I edit those vlogs, shoot more footage if I need to, edit a podcast. I try and have my podcasts I record my podcasts, throughout the day whenever the scheduling works with my guests and whatnot, but I try and do all my editing between 10 and noon. I'm getting pretty quick at the editing. I wish I could do a whole bunch of cool special effects and cinematography and just like a movie, but if you're doing a daily vlog, you just don't have time for that. You have to just be efficient, make it simple, film to edit, all that jazz. So I've become pretty quick and efficient at editing, which I'm glad to say because it used to take me forever. So, speaking of that, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. The box is in the bottom right corner, and you can hit that little bell on top. That's what all the people say anyways. Alright, y'all, so now the day has gotten to about noon. We've got all the podcasts edited, we've got all the videos edited and published. From noon until like 7 or 8 is when I do all of my emails, all of my client calls, all of my podcast recordings, all of my just work, like admin work, administrative work, scheduling work, just all the nitty-gritty details of the business. And that's a pretty flexible time span. Sometimes it starts earlier and I'm late publishing YouTube videos or podcasts, and sometimes it goes much later than 7 or 8. So that's kind of what we got there as far as time frame goes in the work start part of the day. So I'll see you in a little bit for the next stage. You know how I said that I wanted to be done with the whole production thing by 7 or 8 or so? This is a classic example of that not happening. It's 10 o'clock right now, and there's still a whole bunch of stuff to do. Ideally, I'd be able to take the next, from 8 until 9, I would love to be able to have some me time, disconnect from work, meditate, read, just kind of relax, unwind a little bit prior to bed, but that's not my reality right now. So that's where I would like to get, not there yet. Alrighty, y'all, it is 11:03. Ideally, I would be going to bed at 9:30 so that I can wake up at 4:30 and get a decent night's sleep. However, I'm not going to be doing that tonight. I'm going to be going to bed at 11:30, probably waking up at 4:30. So, such is life. On that note, I'm very curious about my sleep quality lately, so I purchased something to test that out. Let me go get it real quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so this box is a sleep tracking device that I'm super excited to test out. It is not the Oura Ring. I know that's the gold standard. I don't have the Oura Ring. I will eventually, but I do not right now. Instead, I bought the Nokia Advanced Sleep Tracker. Basically, you put this pad under or in between your mattress and your box springs, and then it's supposed to be able to track your movement, your snoring, the depth of your sleep, all that good stuff. So, again, not going to be near as accurate as the Oura Ring, but some data is better than no data. So this syncs with my scale, which also syncs with Heads Up Health. So this is just a cool way for me to just gather as much data as I can. So I'm going to try this tonight, and I'll let you know what I find out tomorrow. That is a rough idea of what my day looks like currently. Just from a time breakdown perspective, constantly working on it, trying to make things more streamlined and more efficient. So tomorrow is another day. We'll see you then. Take care.